Hey everyone, welcome back to Earn with Messam Abbas. Today, we're answering a question that so many people ask. Can you really earn $100 a day online through freelancing? I'm going to break it down for you, show you the truth behind online earnings, and give you realistic ways to actually make it happen. No fluff, no hype. So, if you've ever wondered whether freelancing can replace a full-time income, stay tuned. Here's the reality. Most beginners dive into freelancing hoping to make quick money. They see ads, videos, or posts claiming $500 a day working from home. The problem, most of these are either exaggerated or incomplete. Without the right skills, strategy, and consistency, hitting $100 a day can feel impossible. Many people quit after a few weeks feeling frustrated and stuck. But here's the good news. It is achievable, and it doesn't require a magic formula. You just need the right approach. So let's talk about how you can realistically earn $100 per day online with freelancing. I've broken it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick a marketable skill. This could be writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, or even social media management. Focus on a skill you can deliver professionally. Step 2, find paying clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are great places to start. But don't just wait for clients to come to you. Learn to pitch, write proposals, and showcase your previous work. Even small projects add up. Step 3, deliver value consistently. The key to making $100 per day is repetition. Start small, maybe $20, $30 per project, and complete multiple gigs consistently. As your ratings and portfolio grow, you can charge higher rates and reach that $100 per day goal faster. Pro tip, keep track of your daily earnings, set realistic targets, and reinvest in learning new skills. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Let me give you a real example. One of our subscribers, Sarah from Canada, started freelancing with no prior experience. She focused on graphic design for social media posts, picked up small $25 projects on Fiverr, and completed 4 to 5 projects a day. Within a month, she hit her first $100 a day milestone consistently. The key, she didn't aim for huge clients right away. She built her portfolio, delivered high-quality work, and slowly increased her rates. Today, she earns over $200 a day working part-time online. And the best part? She did it all from home. Pro tip, keep track of your daily earnings, set realistic targets, and reinvest in learning new skills. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. So, to recap, pick a skill you can deliver professionally. Find clients through freelancing platforms and outreach, deliver value consistently, and scale over time. $100 a day online is possible, but it requires focus, effort, and persistence. No shortcuts, no gimmicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss tips to earn online. Also, drop a comment below if you're ready to start freelancing. I'd love to hear your plans.